Hey students, in this video I'm going to just explain from this graph how we can tell which one of these equations is the correct equation. Just by looking at it, you can tell that it's opening down. And from what we said in the previous example, anytime you have an a value that is negative, it's going to open down. So that's the initial part you want to have. Look at the answer choices that have that negative. So based on the answer choices, the top one is automatically eliminated, and we're only looking at the three in the remaining three. So we are also looking at what we're given. We're given a vertex and two intercepts. So when you're given the intercepts, it's best to just use the intercept form. X minus P, X minus Q. So here we're going to now look at your intercepts and know that's P and Q. And by value, we're looking at the X value. So we're going to have right here for P and Q a 0 and a 4. As far as the X, well, remember the equation starts with y equals, and then the x's are there. So if you have a point, that will be very helpful because you can use that x and y value and replace them here. In this case, you're given the vertex. A vertex is still a point in terms of x and y. So we can use that as a point. We're going to put the y value of 4 right here. We're going to put the a value, and then the x is a 2 minus and a 2 minus. I'm going to leave the negative on aside from now just so we can solve for that a value first, and then we can just interpret the final answer with the negative in there. All right, so the next we're going to simplify. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then next you're going to multiply these two right here. That's going to give you negative 4. And then from here, you're going to have a division because a and negative 4 are being multiplied. So we're going to divide to get rid of that multiplication. So divide by negative 4. And then this results in negative 1. So that's where the negative comes in because it's telling you that this only works if you have a negative 1 as an a value. So what we're going to do is write our final answer, and following the template, we're going to substitute a negative 1 in there. X minus P, so X minus 0, X minus Q, so X minus 4. And then from there, we simplify this. If you have a 1 being multiplied times anything, you technically don't need to write that 1. So you just have y equals negative, parentheses, x minus 0. 0 is a number that's nothing, so we just eliminate that as well. X, and then x minus 4. So this results in being your answer right there. And if we look at the answer choices, we're going to have this third example right here should be in the answer.